Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial.
Okay, let's start from line. Select line, or you can type L. Just the shortcut is L, and then you can specify first point and second point where you want. Maybe in here, and also you can draw a line with a specific angle, like the length of line and with the angle. So now I'm going to draw with 10 length and then click tab and then specify the angle, maybe 45. Okay, when it's done, if you want to close, you can click in here to close, and also you can just type C and enter. There you go. That's how we can draw the line. Okay, next one, polyline. You can select in here polyline, or you can type PL, enter, and then start drawing line. Specify the first point from where you want to start, maybe from here. This with the way. So now from here, as you can see, there is some option, the width, length, arc. So now type W, enter. So the start point, how much will be the width? I'm going to select 3, and the end point width, how much? Maybe 6. See, the start point is 3 and the end point is with the 6 unit width. And also you can specify the distance, how much distance, maybe 25. So now you can draw like this, or maybe if you want to arc, just write type A and then enter. This is arc, and still there is arc. If you want to draw a line, you have to click type L and then L and then enter. Change it to line. And now it's line. So again, I want to change the width, W3, and maybe the end point 0. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, 3 circle. There is different option. You can draw a circle. Okay, let's start from the first. Center with the radius. Specify the center point of circle, maybe here, and then the radius. You can click there, you can type a number. Okay, the second, center with diameter. Specify the center and then give it the number for diameter. See, this is the half of this, because the diameter is the same, the radius, the first circle. And the second one is 2 point. Maybe if you have 2 point, draw a circle. And the next one is if you have 3 point, you can draw with 3 point, or the next of 10 radius. Okay, let's draw a line. If you have a line like this, maybe one in here. Okay, now try 10 in radius. See, there is a sign, click there and then give it the radius, maybe 10. Yeah, this, like this, or maybe 10. Just click this line, and this line. Yeah, how to draw circle with 10. Okay, arc. The next one here, there is many different options to draw arc. It's easy, and you can try start, center, in, start, center, and in. Where you give it number, or you can manually, it's up to you. Start, end, and radius. It's easy. I think you can use all of them. Okay, let's try continue. If you draw a line and then you want to change it to the arc, you can go to the arc and select this, continue, and then after the continue as a arc. Okay, rectangle and polygon. First rectangle, specify the first corner and then specify the next corner, or you can type the number. It's up to you, this direction, yeah. If you type number and then press tab and then the second number, 10. This is what we created a rectangle. Okay, the next one is polygon, and then now start the side point, the number of side. Now it's 4. If it's 4, and here there is an grab a circle, and this is a rectangle. Let's try with another side, maybe 5, and then this inside and outside circle. I am going to draw with this. Okay, let's see the difference between drawing inside and outside. For example, I have a circle with the radius of maybe 20. So now I'm going to create a polygon with the 7 side. So I specify the first point, the center of polygon, maybe in here, and then if you click the increase it, this is the inside. Let's draw the inside. Or see, this is the inside of circle. with the radius of 20. If you want to, it have to be the outside, specify the center and then circle. Maybe, yeah, see, this is the outside of the circle. See, this is the inside and outside. Okay, next one, ellipse. You can draw different tips, center, axis, and ellipse arc. Okay, the first one is specify now ending point here, and then you specify distance to axis, the another axis. Yeah. Or maybe give number 20, and maybe this one is 10 or 5. Yeah. Okay, axis and end. Let's try this. Specify the first point, end point, and then the specify distance for the another axis. For example, I have a line in here and I'm going to draw ellipse between this. So this is the best way to use axis and end. Start from here and end from here, and then like this. Okay, ellipse arc. If you want to draw arc like as ellipse, specify the first point, the end point of axis, and then distance to the axis, maybe in here, and then start your angle from where your arc start from here. I'm clicking here to up to here. You can type the number or you can click anywhere. Let's try again. Okay, start, specify first point and point of that, and then the distance of the other axis, maybe 5, and then the arc starts from here. From here, in this case I want to start from here until maybe here or here. This is how we create arc with the ellipse. Okay, next one, supplement fit and supplement CV. If you have if you want to draw a graph for the y equal sin x, for example, I'm drawing that coordinate. As you know, how is the graph for this? It's like that. And now I'm going to draw with the specific, and maybe if I set would be 20, and then type tab with the angle, and of course you know this angle is 45, and then here 20 by 20 40, and then click tab and the radius 315. 315 go down, and then again 40 with the angle of 45 go up, and then again down with angle of 350, like this. This is how we create a graph for y equal to sin x. Okay, the next one is construction line, and here you have some option: horizontal, vertical, like this, and then type you can type XL for construction line, vertical, angle, basic, offset. I'm going to draw horizontal first, click H, and then how much horizontal line you want, or maybe vertical, type V, and then like this. Next, with the angle, I'm going to draw a line with angle, type a number, type A, and then specify the angle. See, this is the with the angle of 45 degree. Okay, the next one is ray. One point, as you can see, the next ending you can see it's aligned with the unlimited. And also you can draw with a specific angle too. You can type maybe the 20 tab 45, maybe this at 19, like that. That's with a specific angle. Okay, multiple point. You can click from here, or you can click P and then type. And also you can draw a point with a specific coordinate. For example, and here just type 25 and then click tab and 25. Yeah, this is the point with the specific coordinate from axis X, Y. This distance is 25 and this distance is also 25 unit. And also, if you want to change the figure of the point, you can also, of course, type PT and then enter. From here you can choose the different type of point. or maybe you want this figure. Is up to you. Okay, next one is divide. If you have a line and you want to divide it with the specific distance, you can divide it. For example, I have a line with a length of 100, so now I want to divide it with equal. Click divide and then click the line and then type to divide it to how many. For example, divide it to 3 parts. See, this is divided to 3 parts. Each part is equal. For example, from here to here is 33.33.33. Okay, I needed this copy. I make the copy in the top. Okay, next one is measure. You can measure the line with how much you want. Just give it a number. For example, okay, 20. See, it divided to measure it 20 20 20 20 from left to right. Or maybe try again to maybe 40. See, this is 40 40 and this one is the rest of them, and of course that's 20. It measured it from this. Okay, rejoin. If you have a rectangle like this and one in here, and I'm going to trim. As you can see, this is the 2 objects. This is one and this is the another object. If you want to make it one object, you can use rejoin. Click rejoin and select all and then enter. See, this is now one object. Okay, without. If you have drawing, different drawing, many drawing like that, and then if you want to hide it or maybe cover it, see, this is how we use it. It's the under and this is the top of that. Helix. For example, I have a circle like that. See, this is helix. Done it. Specify inside diameter first, maybe 10, and then specify outside diameter, how much, maybe 40, and now click where you want. VV Cloud. If you have many drawing like this and you want to make it highlight or draw a line around, you can use rectangular, polygon, or freehand. Sometimes we use this with highlighting. And the last one is hatch, gradient, and boundary. For example, I have maybe wall or maybe like that, and now if you want to hatch inside, click hatch, and then click in here. As you can see, there's hatch, and there is different kind of that, different pattern. So now you can see if you change from here the scale, of course you will see that pattern. Maybe change it to scale to 100. Yeah, this is, you can see clearly the pattern. You can change different kind, or maybe solid, like that. And there is many type of pattern. You can change from here. Okay, if you can change the color from here, and also from here you can change the layer color. It's up to you. And try always to, if you hatch the wall, specify the specific layer. Okay, the next one is gradient. It's the same as the hatch, but just the pattern is the different. So you have different pattern here. Which one you like, just select it.
For example, you have a circle in here. If you want to move it, you can type M, enter, or you can choose from here, click move, enter, select the circle, and then enter. First, now you specify the point from where you want to move. I'm going to click in here, and then here you want to put, and also you can type a number too. For example, 25. This is the circle. How to move it? So easy. Okay, the next one is rotate. So I have this rectangle. If you want to rotate this, just click the rotate, and then select the object, and then enter. So now specify the base point. I'm going to click in here. And now you can rotate where you want to, or you can rotate to the specific angle too. For example, 40, 45. This is 45. Okay. The next tools is trim and extend. So the easiest way is just type TR and double enter. Now you can trim. Yeah, you want to trim like this. Okay, the next object is extend. For example, I have this and one line in here. So now I'm going to extend this line to this rectangle. So first from here click extend and then select the first object and then enter and click this. So easy. Okay, the next tools is erase. You can select this erase, click where you want and then enter, or you can select first the object and then select erase. It's the same. The next tools is copy. If you want to copy, you can write CO, or you can click here to make a copy and then select the object and then enter and then click specify a base point. For example, I'm going to choose the center and then where you want to put. You can also specify the second point with the length and angle. For example, I'm going to put this copy in here with the specific distance and angle 14 and then click tab and then 166. Okay, the next tools is mirror. Select mirror and then select the object and then enter and then specify the 2 point like this. Now if you want to remove the source, you can remove too. So now I'm going to try that. Select, enter, first point and second point, and I'm going to erase the source object. Yes, that's how we edit it. Okay, the next tools is flip, chamfer, and blend curve. So, for example, I have this rectangle. So now I'm going to work with solid flip. When you click flip, and then there is some command polyline, radius, trim, and multiply. I'm going to start from polyline. If you click P, enter, and then radius, enter. How much? Maybe 3, enter. And this is how we by one click we flip. Okay, and then if I use a trim, click T. Okay, now it's trim and I'm going to no trim and then click P, enter. There you go. This is how we now trim in this corner. Okay, now I'm going to try multiple. Click M, enter, and then radius, enter 3. And now this is how it works. You can one by one make it one by one. Okay, let's go to the jumper. Flip and jumper, this work is the same. This is, and from here also we start from full line. Click P, enter, and then there is distance or angle or method. I'm going to use distance. T, enter, how 3, enter, and then 3. See, 3 by 3. Okay, you can the same as method. You can try the another angle method trim. Okay, so now I'm trying trim. Type T, enter. I'm going to say no trim. So now again T, 3, and let's change 2. The first one is I'm click the jump on this 3, and the second one is 2. See, this distance is 3 and this one is 2. If you want to continue, just click space and then jump out the corner. The next tool is explode. For example, I have this rectangle, and now you can see this is one object. If you want to explode, if you want to maybe delete this side, you can use explode and then delete it. Select the object and then explode. See, now there is 4 objects. Or you can use select the explode and then select all and then enter. This is how to explode. And also you can rejoin this also. Now this is 4 object, and from here the previous tutorial we learned that rejoin. Click rejoin and then click all, then enter. See, now it's all just one object. Okay, the next tool is stretch. So I have this rectangular and now I'm going to stretch it and make it bigger. So click stretch, select here and then enter, and then specify the point, then you can stretch it how much you want, maybe like this. Okay, the next tool is scale. It's also easy. Just click scale, select the object and then enter, and now select a base point, maybe here, and you can select, give it a scale like this. You can type the number also, maybe I'm going to type 2. Okay, the next tool is array. And now there is three kinds of array: polar array, path array, and rectangular. And now I'm going to start from rectangular array. Click this and then select the object and then enter. This is how we are, and maybe close it. If you want to change and set up, click this, and now there is the column. Here is 4, and you want to have a column 5. And this is the distance between the column, each of this object. From here to here, there is 6. And now I'm going to change to 5, or maybe 8. And this is the total. From here to here, this is the total distance. And the arrow, there is 3, and I am going to change this to 4. And this is also distance between each of them, from here to here and here to here, and this is the total. I'm going to make it 6, and all is 18. And this is the level. If you have like a 3D model or like that, you can change from here level. Maybe now there is only one level. If you want to 2, or how much you want. And this rectangular array. Okay, the next one is polar array. Okay, for example, I have this curve and a circle in here. So now I'm going to array on this line. Go to the array, path array. First, select the object you want to array, and then select the enter, and then select the object you want to array on. See how? And now also you can set up from here between the distance between each of them. Maybe I make 14. Base 14. Or this is the row. I have one row. If you want to have 2 rows, or maybe you have 3. This is the, and this is the distance between each of them from here to here, and then this number is the distance between from this and this total. Maybe 12. 1. Okay. Polar array. For example, you have a table like this, and you have a chair in here, and you want to set up the chair around the table. So I'm going to go to the polar array, select the object you want to array, and then enter, and then select the center of the circle. See, there is how to make, and now you can set up. Maybe you put 8 chair, or maybe more, 10, 2, and this is the distance between each of them. If you change this to 30, see how it looks. See, this is start from here, this is 30, and total from here to here the 215 degree. If you make it 3 and 6, 3, it's like. And this is the row. Maybe you want to change 2 row, and this is the distance between each of them, and this is the distance, the total distance. For example, if you have 3 rows, now you can see if make it this 6, from here to here 6 unit, and from here to here 12. Okay, the next tool is offset. For example, you have a line and you want to make it offset. You can select from here, or you can click O and enter, and then now you can give it the number, for example 3, or maybe the below here you want to offset inside this. And now I'm just going to work on join, how to make it join. For example, you have a line like this, and then I'm going to cut this line using trim, double enter, and then delete this. If you want to join this line, you can use join. Click join and then select the line, both of them, and enter. So now this is a line and then join. So let's start from text. If you want to write a text, create text, there is 2 options, multi-text and single line. So first I'm going to start from some multi-text, click this, and then click anywhere you want. For example, I want to here, and then you can write your text. You can type how much you want. When you finish, you can click outside. You can edit your text from here. If you want to change, from here you can change the height of text. I'm not going to change. From here you can make bold or not bold, or maybe italic or not, or maybe using underline or not. That's up to you. And then from here you can change the font style. What font do you want to like? And I'm not going to change. And from here you can change by the color by yourself, or you can choose by layer. If you set up the layer, it's right according to the layer. And from here you can change this, like from right to left, center, right to left, or justify, or maybe line space, there is, or middle left. It's up to you how to set it. And there is, it's easy. And then here column, you want to do column, one column, no column, dynamic, it's up to you. I'm not going to change. When you done your setup, and then close text. This is your text. Okay, the next one is single line. When you click, and then first specify your start time. For example, I want to start from here, and then you can type the height of the text, or you can just click anywhere. I'm going to click in here, this is the height of text, and then the direction of text. Now You can type or you can choose. For example, now I'm going to in this direction. Okay, and now you can when you're done, click outside and then enter. This is how we create line. Write with an angle. You can write with angle. Let's try it. I'm going to start from here. This is the height of the text, and then the angle I'm going to write 45 degree. Okay, and then this. Click outside and then enter. That's how we created the text. Dimension. Let's start the dimension in this drawing. So first I'm going to use for this line. Oops. As you can see, this so small and you can see that. If you want to change this, just type D, then enter. I'm going to change from here, modify, and here text height. I'm going to change it to 4. And also in here you can change the color of the line. It's the setup for the line type by black or line weight. You can change line weight as what you want, and baseline space. This is the setting for the line, and then sample and arrow. You can change the sample and arrow. This sample. This is the first one, the second one, and then later if you want to change. And arrow size, I'm not going to change. This is the arrow size if you want to change. And this is the setup for the text style, which kind of standard or annotated, text color, fill color or not, text height. Now I changed this text height. Text placement, vertical, horizontal. If it's vertical, it's in the center. If vertical, also in the center. You can change from here. I'm not going to change. And then this is fit. Some setting in here. I'm not going to change. And also from here, unit format. You can change unit format from here to engineering, architecture, decimal, precision. I'm going to change this. Now you can see there's 4. I'm going to change to 2, and then round off. You can say prefix or suffix. Maybe if you want to change, write maybe m like that. After your unit, this is right the units unit also. I'm not going to use this, and then okay, and close. So now start the dimension from here to here. It's 30.73 unit, or you can draw if you can dimension if the line is like that with the angle. Use this like that. Let's go to annotation. There is some or you can quick access. For example, you want to give dimension in this, select this and then enter and put in here. Okay, and let's start the continue. You can continue like this, and like this. When finished, just enter. Or you can use baseline. From this line, click here, 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 here. Here, good. This is the baseline. Okay, and now for this arc, using radius, this type, click, and then okay. That's the radius is 4.94. This is how we give a dimension to our drawing. Okay, now I'm going to show you one important things for regarding to the dimension. So now I'm going to create a layer. Go to the layer and then I'm going to create a new layer. The name is dimension. As you can see now, if I give dimension in here, let's go to this layer. This is the layer 0. So now I'm going to show you if I give a dimension, it's go direct to the the dimension layer. Okay, type dim layer and then enter, and now write your the layer name, dimension. Okay, now if you when you give a dimension, it go directly to the dimension layer. Maybe this, and now when you click, see, this is the dimension layer. If you click this, that's the 0 layer, and then see, this the dimension layer. If you now draw something, maybe I'm going to draw something else. And now I'm going to give it dimension. Before you change the layer, just give it dimension. And then when you want to check, see, it's go directly to dimension layer. Okay, it was about the dimension, and now I'm going to show you how to properties your layer. Okay, click the layer properties, and from here if you want to create a new layer, just click in here, new layer, or you can right click and here you can say new layer. When you create a new layer, you can give it name, for example for line, and then click anywhere. From here you can turn on and off your layer. If you off your layer, you can see anything in here. For example, I'm going to off dimension layer. Let's click off. See, the dimension is gone. On. Okay, this is freeze. If you click freeze, the dimension, the layer that you created, there will be hiding. When I press, now you can see, and the layout also. Okay, the next one is you can lock or unlock your layer, or you can from here you can change the color for the layer. What color if you want to give it, maybe red. From here you can change the line style, or maybe this, or you can from load you can change different line style from here. Okay, I'm not going to change. From here you can change the line width what width you want. Okay, and then when you set up the layer, and then you can close here. Before I'm going to close, I'm going to show you this new layer by frozen. If you want to delete the layer, just click in here, delete the layer. If you want to uh, use this current layer using, just click in here, set current layer. Now it's current layer in here, or you can say change in here. You can set up your layer, you can just close. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.